Welcome. I'm Tracy Townsend, an account manager with Connie, Connecticut's Health Information Exchange. Today I'm going to show you how you can access a patient's NARCS care report from within the Connie portal. Connie is integrated with the Connecticut Prescription Monitoring and Reporting System, or CPMRS, which is a centralized database of Schedule II through Schedule V drugs managed by the Prescription Monitoring Program, or PMP. Through our integration, healthcare providers and pharmacists can easily access information from the CPMRS in the active treatment of their patients. The purpose of the CPMRS is to present a complete picture of a patient's controlled substance use, including prescriptions by other providers. The CPMRS is used to improve quality of patient care and to reduce prescription abuse, addiction, and overdose. Integrating the CPMRS into the Connie portal allows authorized users to access the CPMRS NARCS Care Report directly within the Connie portal. Some requirements of the PMP before we begin. Registration with CPMRS is required prior to accessing PMP data through Connie. Per state statute, all prescribers in possession of a Connecticut Controlled Substance Registration issued by the State of Connecticut Department of Consumer Protection are required to register as a user with the Connecticut Prescription Monitoring and Reporting System at https://connecticut.pmpaware.net. Contact your organization's HIE administrator if you would like to have access to PMP through the Connie portal. Now we're going to look up a patient's NARCS care report. Search for the patient. And this is a test patient. Then I'll select the patient's name under search results and search in clinical information. In your HIE in context menu, select PMP. The NARCS report loads with PMP data.